How can I fix a sign-in issue for a purchased item?
Hello viewers, today we're going to tackle a common problem that might occur after purchasing a digital or physical item, sign-in issues. Whether it's a piece of software, a device, or an online platform, we've got you covered. Remember, don't panic, most of the time these issues are quite solvable.
What could be causing the issue?
Before we dive into solving the issue, let's understand what might be causing it. Incorrect username or password, internet connectivity issues, and system or server errors are often at the root of sign-in problems. In other cases, it could be due to an issue with your account status. For example, the account might be locked or inactive.
How can I check my username and password?
The first step is to check your username and password. Make sure that caps lock is turned off and you're entering the details correctly. If you think you've forgotten the password, look for a Forgot Password or Reset Password option on the sign-in page. This usually involves receiving a reset link to your registered email, so make sure you have access to that email account.
What if my internet connection is the problem?
Check your internet connection if you're having trouble signing in. Try refreshing the page, restarting your router, or connecting to a different network. If other websites are working fine, your connection is probably not the issue.
How can I know if it's a system or server error?
In case of system or server errors, you might see a specific error message. These could be due to maintenance or other issues on the service provider's end. If you think this is the case, try again after a few minutes or contact their customer support for more information.
What to do if my account status is the problem?
If your account is locked or inactive, you might need to verify your email address or comply with any requirements set by the service provider. Contact their customer service if you're unsure about why your account status is preventing you from signing in. In conclusion, sign-in issues can be a bit of a headache, but with a little patience, they're often easily resolved. Always remember to keep your account details safe and change your passwords regularly to avoid security issues. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in troubleshooting your sign-in issues.